Okay, welcome. Just making a somewhat quick video. This is a recent monitor I bought. This is a Nokia 920C monitor. It has been manufactured in the year 2000, according to the label in the back. It's a 600 by 1200 max resolution at 75 Hertz. And I'm going to show you some quick specs. Uh, the recommended resolution is 1280 by 1024 at 85 Hertz, where it really has no flickering, nothing. Even at the 600 by 1200, you will surely notice on the screen the flickering. And here we have some specs. Sorry. So this is the 19-inch version with a 0.26 millimeter dot pitch, as you can see. Um, Very good scanning frequencies, um, and a lovely unit in very good condition. It has its use. Just going to show you some, not this one. What I currently have on contrast and brightness. Contrast is a bit up, but it's a tired monitor. What I have more is I'm running at 82K, a bit more red, just to have the image a bit warmer. Okay, so out, and we're going to watch just Big Buck Bunny, our good friend, in the forest. Basically, what you see is what you get, or what I see is what you get on the camera. At least the screen seems to be, the colors seem to be matching. The monitor is set at 1280 by 1024 currently. The film is running at 1.8p, 180p, sorry. It just has lovely, very lovely colors. Let's just try something else. And just get us back to 1600 by 12. Not the best resolution. Let's see the guy. It has just a little bit more apparent flickering. Um, we have 10 Hertz lower refresh rate also, so it's normal, but it's not bad. So a very quick video of this new old technology monitor for you guys. Thank you.